Nasılsın?
Nothing.
You know what this is?
Mhm.
This is Turkish kitchen.
Turkish kitchen.
Turkish kitchen.
Turkish kitchen.
Evet. And I'm gonna do home cooking for you when you grow up, and you will look at this channel and you will say, "Oh, I ate all this food. It was yummy." Is it yummy?
Mhm.
Huh? Do you like Turkish food?
I like it.
What's your favorite Turkish food?
Favorite is chocolate.
Okay, this is Turkish kitchen. I'm gonna do home cooking with Zeynep, and you will love it. Let's start. Söyle, hadi başlayalım.
Hadi başlayalım.
But mommy has some surprise for you.
I have some
Okay.
surprises.
Okay, let's get the surprise.
If you're gonna cook, you need to look like a cook.
Whoa!
Here is your chef hat.
Look at this.
What do you think? And here
What?
is your chef jacket.
I love it.
Just like Baba's.
Do you like it?
Mhm.
Söyle, teşekkürler anne.
Teşekkürler anne.
Oh, look at this. Oh,
And
Baba
Baba
has.
needs his
Baba
hat.
has. Baba has this thing too.
And Baba for when you want to match Zeynep.
Oh, look. Let's match together. Now, hey, are we a team?
Mhm.
Huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay, look at this. Look at that. Okay, let's say this is Turkish kitchen.
This is kitchen.
No.
Kitchen.
So, this is Turkish kitchen.
This is Turkish kitchen.
We are gonna do home cooking,
We're gonna go home cooking,
and you will love it.
and I will love it.
Let's start.
Let's start.
Okay, thank you.